Hello, it's Mark from Not Taught at School and welcome to today's video. So today we're looking at hands-free. Everyone likes this, don't they? These hands-free automated income. Set something up once and you can start earning money online from this. Now in the past I've shared a number of methods which I am doing myself. I've also shared the results with this and I'll drop links to those videos or articles down below for you because look, believe it or not, you can make money online and from home hands-free. Now when I say hands-free, you do have to do some work, i.e. you have to set something up, you have to keep an eye on it, but pretty much it ticks along on its own. And look, if you want more ways to make money online, you can go over to my blog. It's called Not Taught at School. I've got a members area and I share lots of different articles on here for, making money online, affiliate marketing, YouTube. There's so many different ways you can do this and there's lots of resources over on the blog here for you. Now in today's video, we're not going to be looking at automated websites, we're not going to be looking at staking crypto, we're not going to be looking at niche blogs, YouTube or any of that sort of stuff. We're going to go back to an article I first shared a year and a half ago and I'll give you an update on this and I'll share with you how much I am earning because it's quite staggering really for doing nothing. Now, if I come over here, this was the article that I shared. Now, this here is a piece of automated Forex trading. And if I scroll down here, you can see I've got an interview on here with the guy who created this software and all of the indicators and other bits inside of here. And then literally I started this. You can see I started on the 16th of June 2020. Now let me say this right at the beginning. This is not risk free. You can lose some money. You can also lose all of your money. I know people who have lost money and I also know people who have made money, including myself. But with this automated Forex trading, you need to learn a little bit of the basics about this, and I highly recommend, if you do go ahead and set this up, do a little bit of research into this, learn some of the things yourself, because in the beginning, I didn't have a clue. Now I've learned a little bit more about this, and I know how it works and what to look out for. But a tip for you, example is, inside of this software here, it trades the Forex markets for you. So the Forex markets are open a Monday to a Friday and they close on a weekend. Now, depending on the balance that you have in your account, you can decide how many currencies or pairs you like to trade. So you can see when I first started this back in June 2020, I originally started with $1,000 deposit. And you can see down here, it was running this pair here, this Euro USD, and then I believe at a later date I also started adding in additional pairs. But you can see here, look, we've got another pair here and another pair somewhere down here. But this article, which I'll drop a link to below for you, this was over 18 months ago when I first set all of this up. And even now, even though my balance is over $10,000, I'm only still running one pair. I know people with a lot less money who are running 4 or 5 pairs, and it's not the best way to go. I would honestly, if you do purchase this, go ahead, set it up and start small, start risk free, because there's certain settings inside of the software. You can have this on low risk, medium, high. You can have additional currencies. I'd just start with one pair or literally 2 pairs and have it on very low risk. Now if we go back over here to this article here, keep coming down, so week 3, week 4, let's scroll down. So here are the final results for using the software for a month. So after a month it earned $579. So essentially it gave me 50% back in a month of my starting balance. Now if I scroll further on the page here, this walks you through how to set this up. You do need a broker's account, which is basically where you can deposit your money into. I then did a follow-up update. You can see here, update. I've now done a follow-up article, so there's an article following up on this, how much I earned and other bits. And if I fast forward to today, 18 months later, what we'll do is we'll quickly jump inside of my phone and I'll share with you how much I earned for, last week and a couple of months. So let me switch over to the phone and I'll share with you the earnings for that now. Okay, so this is inside of Asia Trader and this is the results for last week. So you can see on here, I am actually only trading one pair, which is the Euro and the USD. But if you scroll up here, you can see these are all of the trades, and for last week I earned $130. If I show you last month, you can see
profit was $1,378, and I withdrew $1,450. And if I show you the last 3 months, you can see I've made a profit of $3,332, and I've pretty much withdrawn all of that. And if I take this back a little bit further, let's just go back to the beginning of the year. We'll go back to January 2021 to today's date, and you can see there. So we've made a profit of $14,000. Deposits is $6,000, and I've currently withdrawn $12,910. And I mean, I'm not going to scroll through all these because obviously there'll be thousands of these. But you can see here, so I have now been using this software well over a year. At this moment in time, you can see, let me just go back up to the top. You can see here, I've withdrawn pretty much all of my initial investment from here. And from now on, anything else that I make using this software, it's all house money. So basically, I've taken out my original investment, and now this is all, essentially free money. And what I'll do is, every time I make a withdrawal, I'll then take that money and I place that into other things which can build me up a passive income.
Okay, so there you saw some of my earnings from the past few months. Apologies about the voice quality. I was just recording it using the speaker on my phone and it's not that great. So you can see here, I am still using this piece of software here. Am I recommending it? Yes, if you want an automated way to make some money online and from home. But do remember, it is not risk-free. I can't say that enough times to you. Now, in terms of this, getting started with this piece of software, the first thing you need is a broker's account. Now, in the beginning, I did lots of research into this, and the one I went with and still use, and I've never had any issues today, is this one here. It's called Trader's Way. Now, in this blog article over here, if you scroll down, you click here, and it will take you to the correct page that you need for the broker's account, and then it just walks you through setting this up. Now, if you're in the US, there's another one which is called Hugo's, and again, if you click on there, it will take you over to the correct page. Now, you need to buy, or you need a broker's account before you go ahead and get the software, because step one is you get the broker's account, you set that up. It takes normally between 24 and 48 hours for that account to be verified, i.e. prove that you are a real person. And then once you've done that, then you buy the software and then you connect the two together, and then it literally starts placing these automated trades for you. And then you can track it all inside of your phone, and you can also track it inside of the broker's account, basically. But look, that is today's video. That is one method I'm using to make money hands-free online. You can find many more articles over on my blog about different methods I'm using to automate earning money online and essentially a passive income. But again, I just want to say to you, with this method over here, what I would say is, once you've made your money back, what you put in, take that money out and then it becomes risk-free, because as I showed you over in my firm, I've withdrawn my initial investments and any additional investments, and all of it now is risk-free. I'm taking money from this piece of software. I'm using that to build out niche blogs. I'm using that for automated YouTube channels, and I'm also using that for, more recently, some cryptocurrency trading. Well, not trading, but it's called staking, and that's another topic for another day, because I'm always trying to build these passive incomes, because who wants to be, sat at a computer all day making money when we can actually invest our money and have it working for us? So look, that's today's video. If you have any comments or questions, please let me know. I'll drop a link to this blog article below for you and some other articles which you may find useful. So thanks again, have a great day, and I'll see you tomorrow.